Wanna build real muscle and burn more fat? Get into an amazing shape and take your fitness to the next level? Then you must know something that 90% of people ignore, and that is muscle contraction. Hi, welcome to Gym School. Today we are going to discuss what is muscle contraction and its types. First of all, what is muscle contraction? It is when your muscle activates to produce force to lifting weights, pushing, or even holding. In simple words, a muscle contraction means your muscle is working. It's producing force to move something or to keep it stable. For example, when I do a dumbbell curl, my muscle lifts the weight and they are contracted. But here, our muscle contracts in three different ways. Let me explain the three contractions as easily as possible. First contraction, concentric contraction. This is when your muscles shorten while producing force, or shorten while lifting or pulling weights. For example, let's take bench press. When I push the weight to the top, my chest muscles are shortened or squeezed. This is called concentric contraction. Let me give you another example. Lat pull down. When I pull the weight down, my lat muscles are shortened or squeezed. This is concentric contraction again. Concentric contraction is its scientific term. You can easily call it squeeze contraction. Second, eccentric contraction. This contraction happens when your muscles are lengthened while working. In simple terms, when you stretch your muscle with load, it is called eccentric contraction. For example, let us take bench press. While I am lowering the weight all the way deep to my chest muscles are stretched with the weights. This is called eccentric contraction. Similarly, when I control my weight in the lat pull down, all the way up, it is being stretched greatly. This is called eccentric contraction again. Eccentric contraction is its scientific name. You can easily call it stretch contraction. Number 3. Isometric contraction. This contraction happens when the muscles are working without any movement. For example, when you do a plank, your muscles are contracted, but there is no movement involved in the exercise. I will give you a couple more examples. When you do a chair sit or when you do a boat hold, the muscles are contracted even without any movement or action. This is called isometric contraction. Once you learn and get better with this contraction, you can not only train harder but also smarter. Hope this video was helpful in understanding muscle contraction and its types. But stay tuned because there is one contraction among the three contractions which is more powerful and more important for muscle growth. I will unveil them in our further videos. Until then, peace.